Hello everyone. Welcome to listen to Hank's explanation from EP Machinery. This is our finished product storage room. So you can see that all this machines is going to be packed and sent to the port and shipped to Egypt. The model of this is 360 with the disc. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 26. This mail is ready to ship to Egypt. And all these actually the spare parts. You can see that there are sifter. We also call it the screener. The pipes which used to connect it to the cyclone or maybe self-sucked for the materials.
Yes.
All these are the spare parts for the disc mill. So do not worry if you buy our disc mill, we will prepare enough spare parts for you to use, for you to as backup.
Yes.
Over that side, there are 3 big mills. It's going to ship to Mexico. And this is the motto actually is according to Mexico's electricity, which is 220 voltage and 60 hertz. So this actually company's logo here.
EP Machinery.
Okay. So all these 3 big mail is going to ship to Mexico. You can see 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
The color is also depend on the customer's requirements.
EP Machinery.
Again.
Oh, story. This is the hopper for these 2 sets blue machines. And there.
This is the spare parts. We are going to ship together with the machine to our customer.
Yes, the sieves and the blades.
And the hammers.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.